Hey guys, Paul from REO Auction Academy, and today I want to go over a quick little review on how to comp properties using Zillow. And I'm going to use a sample property here I purchased in Tucson, Arizona that I'm doing a fix and flip with. As you can see right here, I purchased this property for $363,900. It was a HUD property. Renovated it. We put 65, I believe, 65,000 into this property. It might have been actually 66,200. We listed it for 599, and let's take a look at how we can look at some comps here. Let's look at what is currently, this is sold. So let's look at what's currently active. So obviously mine is active here. We got another one for 535 here. That's went under contract very quickly, very similar size and square footage. So it's a pretty good comp here. It just didn't have quite the updates. It wasn't quite as nice as our property, but still very good property. And it went under contract fairly quickly here, I believe. And this time of year, we're in February. This is the time of year that people purchase down in Tucson, Arizona, because it's all the snowbirds come down and they're looking to buy right now. Now let's see what we got as far as solds in the area. So we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,800 square foot. So it's smaller, one less bedroom, less square footage by around 500 or so. And that sold for 449. And again, this sold in November 2020 here. We have another one that's similar, but again, smaller square footage here, sold for 500,000. And I believe that's the lowest of the smaller square footage. A lot of them you're going to see here in the 510 range. There's other ones that have gone in the sixes, which are not showing on Zillow here. Let's see if we can find stuff on Redfin. So if you look at Redfin, and that's another one, it's a pretty good one to use here, and you go to the Redfin estimate, it'll show you other properties that are very similar and what they sold for here. And this one sold in August for 577,000, little less square footage, but fairly similar here. And we're figuring we're probably going to sell somewhere in that 570 to 595 range, somewhere right in that ballpark in all likelihood here. So that's how you use Redfin and Zillow. Again, it's pretty good. You get some pretty good comps. You're just going to get a generally pretty good idea of what's out there and see, okay, lesser square footage, less bedrooms in this one. Obviously, the price is reflected in that. And if it needs more work, like this type of property here, you're going to have even lower pricing. So definitely, and then you see hot home. Just the market is hot and it's a time of year. You'll get some of that on Redfin. And Zillow, one thing to be very careful of in Zillow when you're looking at properties, again, you want to change, you want to modify stuff here. You want to get rid of just a house, right? Get rid of condos, get rid of multifamily, get rid of apartments, get rid of lots, get rid of townhouses. So you're really looking at apples to apples. And then you can look at bedrooms and bathrooms. So you could just look at 3 bedrooms. You can look at, 3+ bathrooms, and then changes all your dynamics of what you're looking for here. So again, you're getting into other properties here, some bigger ones in the area, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, that sold for 847. 3-bedroom, very similar one here sold for 490. And another one here sold for 560. So you see the range. Of what's going here. And it's not everything. You're not getting everything that you're getting on MLS, but you see how you can really use, and you can do exact match. You can really modify stuff. Zillow's done a very good job over the years at making things easier to comp, because you can get into whether it has a basement. You can start getting into lot size if you want to do that and really compare apples to apples. Maximum HOA fee. You can get into all kinds of different things. So that what Zillow has done is really improved everything tremendously, and it's just going to keep getting better and better. So it does work very well as a comping mechanism, as does Redfin, but Redfin may not give you as much data. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If so, hit the like button here and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you at the next one.